Debbi Starr here. Today, I wanted to talk about how you can optimize your time when you're building funnels, sales pages, all of that kind of stuff. Now, whether you're doing it for yourself or you might be an agency and you build for other people, here's the deal. Always look for systems, things that you're going to repeat over and over again. And once you recognize those systems, then let's create an easy way so that you can get things done quicker. And today I'm talking about Go High Level / High Level, the all-in-one marketing system that I'm just in love with. And you might recognize this. There's lots of people that white label it. So Funnel Gorgeous, FGF, all kinds of companies out there are white labeling it. Super easy to use. And what I want to show you today is how you can make your own template to use over and over again that will speed up the whole process. Now, what do I mean by that? As of this date, December 2023, there's not how can I say it, like an agency setting that will automatically bring in all of your brand colors and your custom footer and all of that kind of stuff. So every time you create a sales page, a funnel, website, anything like that, you have to bring in all of that stuff. You have to set up your SEO metadata. It just takes a few minutes. So stick with me, kids, because I'm going to show you super fast way that you can create your own template, and then it's going to be just a snap every time you want to create. But first, let's see if I can hop over and share this screen. Just give me a second here. Perfect. So the first thing that I recommend is that you just create a simple little spreadsheet. And on this spreadsheet, I want you to capture all of those goodies that you use all the time. So in other words, your Facebook link, your Instagram link, the link to your terms and services, your privacy policy, all of that kind of stuff. And get your friend ChatGPT to help you write kind of a generic page description and keywords that you can use over and over again. I just keep this on a spreadsheet. I've got a tab called SEO information. Super easy. If you build for other people, then create a spreadsheet for every single one of your clients. You will thank me over and over again because you'll have everything in one place. Now, let's hop over to the funnel and let me explain what I mean about creating your own template. So if you were creating something, whether just out of the box, just plain, or maybe you're using like a template from the gorgeous templates from Funnel Gorgeous. All right. A lot of people sign up there because they just love those beautiful templates. But here's the deal. You still have to go in and customize every single page. All right. So right now I created a couple of pages so that I can show you without you having to watch me type everything what's involved here. If I wanted to add a new step, and let's just say that this is going to be my thank you page, and I'm just going to call it a template. Okay. The path name, you'll change it for each funnel that you use. I'm going to put my initial Starr Consulting thank you template. So I will change that URL when I'm actually using it, but for right now, this is what I have, and I'm going to create the funnel step. So I'm going to show you kind of the before and after, why you want to use a template. So if I go to edit this, again, this is just a blank, but even if you were using a template, okay, so I'm just going to drag in a couple of sections, and I'm going to quickly just change the background color. Now you'll notice the background colors are just kind of the vanilla out of the box. I'm just adding a few things here just so that you can see the advantage of what I'm doing here. All right, so we're going to make these just very quickly, and here's the other one. So my brand colors aren't here, my footer, all of that kind of stuff. And if I come up, I always tell people the first thing you should do once you're creating your page, come up here to the SEO metadata, and you have to fill out all of this information. So the title, okay, so this is my thank you page, and then the description. So remember that beautiful description that was on my spreadsheet, and the keywords, the author, all of that kind of stuff. I have to fill that in for every single page. It's kind of a pain in the you know what. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to save this. You have to go back and forth a couple times here. Save, please. And now I'm going to go back out. Now let me show you, as soon as this refreshes, the advantage of using a template. So I'm going to open up this first one up here, and I'm going to edit it. So you just have to do this one time. So most of my sales pages, landing pages have some kind of a banner at the top with a major call to action. It's using my brand color blue, and all of my pages have kind of a standard footer. Okay, so my website, a link to that, a link to the terms and conditions, a link to my privacy policy, and then the small print down here. Okay. So those are things that I use all the time. So I just put them into this page. Now, the other thing you'll notice, I've got a couple of other sections here. So if we come down and click on the background color, now notice I have all of my brand colors right here. So it's super easy. I can just create a new section, add the brand color, and I'm good to go. Plus, if I come up here to the top, my SEO metadata, I already have this filled out. Okay. So if this is my, and I wouldn't call it a sales page, I would say something like, let's say I'm working on my DBA prep school for creative entrepreneurs. If I can spell it, just getting started. All right. And then in my description, remember I said, I don't know why this didn't copy, but I'm just going to paste that there. My keywords, how I like to spell my name out, my social image. I'm going to save this. And now I'm going to go ahead and save the page. Oh, it's making me do this twice. I don't know why. But all of this stuff, now I can just focus on building my page. So now I'm going to back out here. So this is kind of my master. All right. It's got my brand colors. It's got my major header, my major footer that I use on pretty much every page. So now if I wanted to create my thank you page, for instance, instead of creating a new step, I'm just going to come up here, click on that page, and then notice at the bottom it says clone the funnel step. That's where the magic begins. And where do I want to add it? I can clone that in this funnel, or if I have an agency, in other words, if I build for other people, I could select the location, other people, or I could add it to one of my other funnels. All right. So I'm just going to select, and then here's all my other funnels. All right. So I could add it to one of them if I wanted. In this instance, I'm just going to clone it into this funnel, and this will become my new thank you page. Okay, so I can just come back in here now and see everything is here. Good to go. My colors, everything. How simple is that? So my suggestion to you, once the screen refreshes here, my suggestion to you is, whether you're using high level, funnel gorgeous, whatever it is, take a few minutes and build your template. So you'll start with your master page, and that page will have your colors added, any fonts, any little section that you use over and over again, like your footer section, things like that. Once you get that page done, then you can clone it, because most funnels have like an opt-in page. They might have a sales page, then a thank you or a confirmation page. You might have an upsell page. Anyway, so now this is my template. And again, we could clone individual funnel steps, or we could clone the entire funnel. All right. So when I'm ready, if I was going to create a brand new funnel here, what I could do is come over here to this, and I could clone the entire funnel. So how easy is that? Is that making sense what I'm saying? So let me know in the comments if this makes sense. So if you want more help like this, if you would actually like some templates like this, all of my members inside of my Digital Business Academy, every month I drop some goodies like this for them. So join. It's just a low-cost monthly membership. I'll put the link down below. Would love to have you in there. And hey, if you like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.